Hey guys, today I want to give you a quick up close look and unboxing of the Fashion CCD camera. This is a 4K 48 megapixel little camera right here. It's for ages 6+. Let's see exactly what comes in the box here so you know exactly what you're getting into. You can see it does support up to 128 gigs of memory. I don't think it includes that, but we will check. Here's some tips, a little instruction guide, and then we have the camera itself. So you can see here, it's pretty small, does have a good lens on it right there. Your typical picture button, and you have your arrow keys, modes, display, menu, everything that you would have in a normal camera. It does also have a tripod mount here on the bottom. There is a little flash built in on this model, which is actually pretty nice. And overall, that's what you can expect with the camera itself. Now let's see what sort of accessories come with it. We've got a little carrying case and a couple of different items here. This looks to be a Type-C reader. So you can basically plug this into your camera and then into the computer, a little strap, a little charger, and then a little block to actually plug that charger into the wall. So everything you need, guys. Definitely check this one out.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.